When the final gaggle fell on a $16.5 million Pokemon card, the world saw a shocking price tag. But if you're a brand leader or just a marketing nerd, you saw something else. A genius lesson in modern value creation. Most collectors buy a rare asset and lock it away, hoping its value slowly appreciates. Logan Paul did the opposite. It's like a master chef being invited to a prestigious food festival. Instead of just presenting a perfect dish, he threw open the kitchen doors to reveal a revolutionary new oven that he built, an engine that could create value itself. So how did this sale become a masterclass in redefining what an asset can be worth? Let's break down the hidden marketing strategies that Logan Paul used to turn a piece of cardboard into a landmark case study for cultural relevance. The high-end collectibles market isn't just an auction house, it's the marketing world's Super Bowl halftime show for physical objects. A record-breaking sale is a declaration. It's the ultimate platform to elevate an asset's commercial status. For decades, that stage was dominated by sports memorabilia, a $12.6 million Mickey Mantle card, a Honus Wagner. The unspoken rule is that history is the price of admission. The pressure to own something old, tied to a legendary American athlete, is immense. This creates a huge problem for an asset like a Pokemon card, whose brand is built on modern pop culture. How do you step onto the world's biggest auction block and outsell Mickey Mantle without a century of baseball history behind you? Any other seller might have aimed for a respectable price. But Logan Paul's refusal to play that game is where this masterclass begins. He didn't just find a solution, he rewrote the rules. The first lesson in Logan Paul's masterclass came from the asset itself. Before he ever touched it, the Pikachu Illustrator card was already the holy grail. You couldn't buy it in a pack. It was a prize for just 39 winners of a 1998 Japanese art contest. Imagine a world where every priceless gem is a white diamond. This card was like discovering the only blue diamond in existence. Of the 39 that exist, Logan Paul's was the only one in the world to achieve a perfect gem mint 10 grade from PSA. This is the core of the masterclass. By possessing the only perfect version, he stripped away the commercial noise of comparison and forced the world to focus on one thing: its singularity. His asset wasn't defined by what others like it were worth. It was defined by the fact that there were no others like it. He removed the market's price tag, forcing everyone to value it from scratch. It was a radical act of confidence. If the perfect grade was the blank canvas, the details Paul added painted a masterpiece of pop culture provenance. This is where he turned an asset into a profound story of identity. First, he commissioned an $80,000 diamond-encrusted necklace to house it. But the true genius was the stage he chose. It's like a legendary guitarist deciding to play his most iconic solo at a stadium concert. The guitar stops being just an instrument and becomes part of the performance itself. In 2022, Paul walked to the ring at WrestleMania 38 in front of millions with the card around his neck, fusing the worlds of high-end collecting, sports entertainment, and his own massive following. He didn't just bring a card to WrestleMania, he made it the co-star in his own blockbuster movie. He was signaling that this card is the main event, proving that a modern collectible doesn't need to ask for permission to take up space on a global stage. So what does this all mean for asset value? Historically, value in collectibles has been treated like an artifact in a museum. Its worth is based on its age and its past, preserved under glass for quiet admiration. Logan Paul transformed this model. He took the card out of the museum and put it at the center of a live concert. Instead of deriving value from what was, he created value from what is. The spectacle became the asset. He demonstrated that an object's worth is no longer just about its history, but about its ability to command attention in the present. This marks a fundamental shift from value based on legacy to value based on cultural relevance. He proved that in the modern attention economy, the size and engagement of the audience you can build around an asset are way more powerful than the asset's backstory alone. He wasn't selling a piece of history, he was selling a piece of a cultural event he himself engineered. Every great brand has a clear, powerful promise. After a performance celebrating his own brand, Paul delivered his. As the 41-day auction on Goldine came to a close, he hosted a live stream, turning the final moments into a must-see event. A Guinness World Records adjudicator was there, ready to certify the sale on the spot. This final act was a masterstroke. It was like he used a microscope to show us the intricate details of the card's perfection, and then flipped the lens into a telescope to show how that one card connects to the entire universe of pop culture. After a strategy that was so specific to his brand, to his audience, to a single moment, he ended with a message that was radically universal, a new world record. He took his audience on a journey from the hyper-personal to the universally shared. His brand promise isn't just own my asset, it's a call to embrace a new formula for value. When we look back at the sale of Logan Paul's Pikachu card, it was far more than just a transaction. It was a masterclass with actionable lessons. First, be the one truly unique thing in a room full of noise. Power lies in undeniable singularity, not just market trends. Second, root your asset in a deep, personal and cultural story. Your most authentic narrative is your greatest asset. And third, trade the velvet rope for a block party. Redefine value away from exclusivity and towards shared spectacle, because genuine storytelling is the ultimate currency. Logan Paul used the world's biggest stage not just to cash out, but to double down on a new model of value creation. He proved that a powerful narrative isn't just a buzzword, it's the most powerful marketing strategy of our time. He didn't just sell a Pokemon card, he taught us how to build a legend. What other brands or creators do you think are winning by rewriting the rules of value? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if this breakdown gave you a new perspective, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the brands that are shaping our world.
For more trending brand news, subscribe to our channel and visit designrush.com.